Good evening. Today, I would like to present an interview about job and responsibility. For this interview, I chose the topic of quality assurance in the software industry. Quality assurance plays an important role in determining whether a product is ready to be released or not. Today, I will interview a QA professional to learn more about their responsibilities, challenges, and technical work. Thank you for being here with us today. Um, could you please introduce yourself and tell us about your role as a quality assurance?
Okay, thank you for your time. My name is Joseph Nortonang, and I work as a quality assurance engineer in a technology company. My main role is to ensure that the software meets quality standards before it is released to users.
Okay. Why do you think quality assurance is important in the software development process?
For me personally, quality assurance is more important because it helps prevent bugs and errors from reaching users. So then, key ensures that the product works as expected, improves user satisfaction, and reduce the risk of system failure.
Okay. What are your main responsibilities as a QA in your company?
Okay. It seems like my main responsibilities including creating test case, executing tests, reporting bugs, and verifying fixes. I also collaborate with developers and product managers to maintain the product quality.
Okay. How do you decide whether a product is ready to be released or not?
Mm, Good question. It's like one of the biggest challenge. Uh, we evaluate the number of critical and minor bugs. Like if all critical issues are fixed and the system pass regression testing, then we can approve the release. Otherwise, we recommend delaying it.
Okay, it sounds so difficult. What are the biggest challenges you face as a QA?
Mm, as long as I work as a QA, one of the biggest challenge is high deadlines. Sometimes we need to test many features in a limit time. And another challenge is dealing with unexpected bugs in production. Yeah.
Oh, I see. Okay. How do you handle situations when there is pressure to release a product quickly?
Mm, I'm just focused on prioritizing critical test cases and communicate clearly with stakeholders. If the product is not stable, and then I explain the risk of releasing it too early.
Okay, so you will not the bugs or something that will have a chance to be an error, right? Mhm.
Pardon me, can you repeat the question?
Okay, so you focus on prioritizing critical task case and communicate clearly with stakeholder, but you will explain the
Yep.
risks of releasing it too early. So you will give the, I think maybe the developer or the business analyst the notes, right?
Yeah, yep.
Oh, okay.
Seems like that.
Okay, next question. What type of testing do you usually perform in your daily work?
I usually perform functional testing, regression testing, smoke testing, and sometimes API testing. But in some projects, I also use automation testing for UI testing.
Mm, what tools or software do you use to support your testing activities?
Oh, it's like same like QA tools. Like I use tools like Jira for bug tracking. Like for sure, Jira is for project management, but I use it for bug tracking. Also Postman for API testing. and automation tools such as Selenium or Playwright. And for the last, for documentation, we use test management tools.
So, some more question. What skills are important to become a successful quality assurance?
For me, as a junior QA, for me, a good QA should have a strong analytical skills, attention to detail, communication skills, and basic technical knowledge about software development.
Okay, and the last question is, what advice would you give to students who are interested in becoming a QA in the future?
Uh, for the next QA in the future, I can give some advice that I suggest learning basic software testing concept, practicing writing test cases, and understanding how software system works. And joining internship or small project can also help gain experience.
Okay,
Yeah, definitely yes.
okay, that's cool. Okay, thank you very much for sharing your experience and knowledge about quality assurance. From this interview, I can understand that QA plays a crucial role in ensuring software quality and protecting users from errors. It is challenging but important profession in the technology industry. Thank you for your attention.
Most welcome.
Okay, good evening, everyone. My name is Andhika Bagaskara Putra Nusantara, and today I would like to present the result of my interview about job and responsibility, especially focusing on the role of quality assurance in software industry. Okay, what is the reason for choosing the topic? I chose this topic because I am interested in the technology industry, especially software development. And quality assurance plays a very important role because they are responsible for ensuring that a product is ready to be released. A QA helps prevent errors and ensure that users receive a high quality product. Next, introduction of the interviewee. Okay. The interviewee works as a quality assurance engineer in a technology company. Their main responsibility is to test software and ensure that it meets quality standards before being released to user. And next is main responsibilities of QA or quality assurance. Based on the interview, the main responsibilities of a QA include creating a test case like the positive or negative case, executing tests, reporting bugs, and verifying bug fixes. QA also collaborates with developers and product manager and business analysts too to maintain product quality. Deciding product release. To decide whether a product is ready to be released, QA evaluates the number of critical and major bugs. If all major issues are fixed and the system has regression testing, the product can be released. Otherwise, the release may be delayed. And the challenges faced by QA. One of the biggest challenges is working under tight deadlines. QA often faces pressure from management to release the product quickly. However, they must stay professional and focus on product health, product quality. Technical work. In daily work, QA performs functional testing, regression testing, and sometimes API testing. They use tools such as Jira for bug tracking, Postman for API testing, and automation tools like Selenium or Catalan or Playwright. To become a successful QA, strong analytical skills and attention to detail are very important. Communication skills are also necessary because QA works closely with developers and other teams. Okay, and this is my personal response. From this interview, I learned that being a QA is not just about testing a software or testing a feature. QA has a high level of responsibility because they help determine whether a product is safe and stable for user. I believe QA plays a crucial role in protecting user from system error and failures. Okay, let's for the conclusion. In conclusion, quality assurance is a very important profession in the technology company. They ensure product quality, manage risk, and help determine whether a product is ready to be released. Okay, I think that's enough. Thank you for your attention. Bye.